Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious and super healthy pumpkin chocolate chip bread. This is my newest obsession and lately I've just been making it several times and I was like, I have to show it to you guys. So yeah, let's jump right in. First, please make sure that you preheat your oven at 350 degrees Celsius and yeah, let's get started. I'm using whole wheat flour in this recipe, but you can use gluten-free, you can use all-purpose. I'm just keeping it healthy. Next, I'm using some coconut sugar. Of course, you can use regular sugar or stevia, whatever you want. Then I'm using some semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can also use white chocolate chips or dark chocolate chips. Some baking soda. Some flaxseed powder. Now this one is optional, but I chose to use it. I choose to put flaxseed powder in every single thing, but you can totally avoid it if you want to. Now I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients first. Next I'm going to start adding all the wet ingredients. First off goes in some eggs. I'm using large eggs. Then goes in some pumpkin puree. I used canned pumpkin. Then some carrot juice, or you can even use some orange juice, that's more easily available. And finally I'm adding in some pumpkin pie spice or pumpkin spice extract, whichever one you have on hand. I'm going to go ahead and mix in all the ingredients really well with a whisk, and then halfway down I'm going to have to switch over to a spatula. You can even start off with a spatula, but I'm gonna just start off with that and then move on to a spatula. Now you don't want to over mix the batter, but you want to mix it just enough so that the ingredients are all incorporated well. Now the batter is going to be on the thicker side, so whatever you garnish it with, you want to go ahead and press it into the batter so that it doesn't really stick out, unless it's something that won't melt on top. So I'm going to use a bread pan, a really well greased bread pan, and I'm going to go ahead and spread out my batter in there. Make sure it's leveled out and it's spread out really well. Next thing, I'm going to go ahead and garnish it with some more extra semi-sweet chocolate chips. And that is it. I'm going to pop it in the oven and let it cook for about 40 to 50 minutes. You want to check it at the 40-minute point and see if it's done. If it's not, you want to give it a few more minutes and then go ahead and check it with a knife and see if it's done. If it's done, then let's give it a few minutes. Give it a few minutes to cool down a little bit and finally dig right in. But yeah, then finally you can slice it up and enjoy it. So you can enjoy it in several different ways. You can enjoy it on its own, or with some vanilla ice cream, or with some extra chocolate syrup. There are enormous ways to serve it or enjoy it with. So just enjoy it however you like to, or just enjoy it the traditional way like I like to enjoy it. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video and really hope you give it a try. Please guys, give it a try. It's totally worth it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Watch out for more videos coming out, and I will see you next time. Bye.